Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is perfect for if you like to eat outdoors and you hate having pesky flies landing on your food. And it is a Fly Fan 4-pack. These are absolutely really cool. It's by a company called Borhood. Once you open it up, this is what they're going to look like. And there's a little button on the bottom. You'll simply turn that on, and the little blade itself will start spinning. It completely safe. If you end up getting your hand in here, it's not going to hurt or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about kids or whatnot cutting themselves. But it just spins around and it deters those pesky flies from landing or hanging out around your food. Now, the actual blade itself is about 15 inches long, and it has reflective parts on the end, which also help keep those flies away. Give you an idea of the device itself, it is about 10 inches tall, and then it's kind of like this triangle shape, but each end of the triangle is about 3.5 inches. So just plan like a 3.5 by 3.5 inch square zone. It does take AA batteries, but they last for a long time. It's not like you have to use them, replace them after every type of meal. Now, it's designed, you can either set it on the table, or another cool aspect of it, it has built into the bottom a nice little hook that you can hang from either like an area on your patio, or if you have like some like little ornamental thing, you can hang it by your back door to help keep flies from coming into the house, or deter them, I should say. So you do have two options with it, which is really cool. I pretty much have it sitting on the table, and I usually have, because I got the 4-pack, I got multiple of them, so that way it fully covers everything. As far as sound, they are completely quiet. You don't hear them operating at all, so they're not going to disturb your dinner or anything like that. They're chemical free, so it's not like they're putting anything in the air while you're eating or anything like that. They just spin and around and keep those flies from coming. So you're also going to get a user manual when you open up the box. And when they open up, they're going to be nice and compact here. Super easy to assemble. You're just going to pull them until you hear a click. Once it's all that, then it's all assembled, and then the little disc, you're just going to put that right on top, and that is as simple as that as far as assembly, and they are good to go. So overall, if you're looking for a way to deter those flies, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.